Okay.
You can get this at walkaboutpoolskimmer.com. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of all this debris with this right here. You got these little helicopter things that go. You got leaves, branches, you had a storm. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of all this stuff. I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. You have the brushes that are really fine. You have patented channels in here so it can float. There's no resistance when you go in the water. You can move it around, you can twist it around. I'm going to show you all that. And then I'm going to plant that camera right here so you can actually see what it does to get all the debris in the bottom. So let's go. Let's start out. And so you start scraping the sides. You get going. Putting all that debris.
There we go.
Check it out, folks. The Walkabout Pool Skimmer. Can't beat it. Look at the pool. I challenge any pool skimmer, any developer, any inventor to be able to do what you can do right here with the Walkabout Pool Skimmer. Go to walkaboutpoolskimmer.com, Facebook, Walkabout Pool Skimmer Facebook. And only $49.95, folks. Check it out. Have a good summer. See you in the fall when I show you how to keep your pool open a couple more weeks, because this can pick up all the bugs and all the leaves. Have a good summer. God bless.